Welcome! In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to delete a group on the X app using your PC. If you've been trying to clean up your messages or remove an old group chat, this updated process will walk you through exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and let it load completely before moving to the next step. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll find several options. Click on Messages. Now, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations, including your group chats. Hover your cursor over the group you want to delete. You'll notice 3 small dots appear to the right of that group's name. This is your options menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A drop-down will appear with several choices, but you'll want to select Delete Conversation. Once you click it, a confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the group chat. Deleting a conversation on X is permanent, which means you won't be able to recover it later, so double-check that you've selected the right chat before confirming. If you're ready, click Delete once more. The group will instantly disappear from your message list, and just like that, it's gone. That's all it takes. You've successfully deleted a group on the X app using your PC. This quick cleanup method helps keep your messages organized, your inbox distraction-free, and your privacy safeguarded. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with someone who might need it. And remember, little tips like this can make using X a lot smoother and more efficient every day. Thanks for watching.